Hello friends, welcome on my YouTube channel Actual Biology. Today we will discuss about the sympatric speciation. Before that I completed allopatric speciation. If you want to learn, you can check in description box. Okay, so today we will discuss about the sympatric speciation. Sim means what? Sim means same. Okay, same. Sim means same. Patric mean place. Means what do you mean by sympatric? Same place. मतलब same place. It means the evolution of new species from the surviving ancestral species and continue to inhabit the same geographical area. Means we can say that the same species at the same place, it can we can say it can form into two different species. Okay? But here one species convert into two species with the help of, we can say, the sympatric speciation. Means there is no involvement of geographical barrier or physical barriers. Okay, the factors included in the sympatric speciation is, one is competition for resource. Means one species, for example, I am draw here that here it is one species. Okay, one species convert into two different species in same geographical areas. Means here is, this is the one area, and here this species will convert into two different species. Okay, but the ancestor of these two different species are same. Means one species convert into two species. There is the factors involved in the means the isolation of species. Okay, so we can say the reproductive isolation here. Reproductive isolations means these species convert into two different species due to competition for resources, sexual selections, and descriptive selection. We will discuss these later. Okay, so then the two species here, formation of two species means isolation of two species. Okay, means geographical barrier. There is no involvement of geographical barrier. The physical barrier involved in the allopathic speciation. Here is no involvement of geographical barrier. It means we can say that the physical barriers. Okay, so what is competition of resources? Means the competition occur in this species. Competition occur for food. Okay, so food resources, here is the, we can say there is the less of food resources. Some we can say that genetically change, variation in genetic. Okay, genetically change, so they are able to able to eat food, or we can say get the food. Okay, so then sexual selection. In sexual selection there is the involvement of we can say there is the one species, and each species mating and we can say increase its population. Okay, so how increase its population? How increase its population means mating. Okay, so to do mating, there is means two organism can, we can say, the fight with each other to do mating with the female. Okay, so sexual selection means two species, one species, the one organism who is means powerful, and second is powerful organism makes the mating. Okay, it will do the mating, and the organism who is means weak, we can say weak. So weak organism can't do mating with the female. Okay, so we can say sexual selections, here is the powerful organism, and here is the weakness, mean weak organism is present. So we can say here is the separation of two species. Means one species convert into, one is the powerful and second is the we can say the weakness of an organism. Okay, so there is again descriptive descriptive selection. What is descriptive selection? Means the we can say the change in genetic population. Okay, means after sometimes some evolution occur, we can say the mutation will occur. Okay, so mutation can cause here is the species means mutation is not occur in the whole species. One or two organism get evolved after some times. Okay, means evolution occur. Okay, means evolution occur here. Evolution means the some changes in traits. Okay, here the changes in genetics means variability in the genetics. Okay, so it will changes into the different species because here the traits are different. Okay, means variability is present in this species. Here is in some organism is mutation occur, not in all. Okay, so there is a two species formation. One is there is the some variability is occur, in genetic variability occur. There is these species is not we can say there is no genetic variability is occur. Okay, so we can say descriptive selection is also responsible for the sympatric speciation. Okay, sympatric speciation means same species, okay, same species in same area, okay, convert into two different types of species. Okay, two different types of species, and these species will we can say some changes in we can say traits, we can say genetic variabilities occur here. Okay, so intraspecific reproduction occur means here in sympatric speciation. Intraspecific means the means within the species, means reproduction occur within the species. Here this is the species. Okay, this is the species. Interspecies means within the species, reproduction occur in the within the species. Okay, not between the species. Okay, one species is here only. Okay, so mutation will occur in this species only. Sexual selection is occurring only one this species. Okay, competition of resources in only one species in a particular area. Okay, so means same area. Okay, there is no migration. Migration means the species move means this place we can say this place is permanent, we can say permanent. Okay, after the evolution this species can migrate, but in sympatric speciation there is no migration is occur. Okay, so we can say the genetic change in variability, we can say variability is occur in these species, so this species is present in same area. Okay, we can say the this species will not occur here and here. Okay, so here the two different species of form in same area, there is no migration occur. Okay, so the example, it is a very important example of orca whales in the Pacific Oceans. Means we can say these two different types of whale present, and they are not mating with each other. Okay, so this is the very important example of whales in Pacific Oceans. In this oceans there is two different types of orca whales is present, but they are not doing means their food resources different. Okay, it can be same. Okay, so food resources are different or can be same. Okay, so they are not mating with each other. Okay, they are not mating with each other. So this is the example of sympatric speciation. I hope this video is helpful for all. So thank you so much, and please do like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.